This bathroom needs a good clean today, so I'll be tidying up this space and getting everything back in order. I hope you'll clean along with me. And remember to like the video and subscribe below if you haven't already. And let's get into the video.
I don't know if these toilet bowl cleaner lids are childproof or what, but I always have trouble opening them. Even though it says to squeeze the sides and pull, it never works. Anyone else? So here I decided to clear everything off the shower shelf this time and start fresh. It had turned into a spot where we were just tossing random hair products, body washes, and stuff we barely even use. So I took everything out of the bathroom, I went through all of it, and only brought back the things we actually use regularly. I feel like it's going to make the shower look a lot less cluttered, and it'll be way easier to grab what we need. I'm sorry about the angles and the weird lighting. The bathroom is just so small that it's hard to get, or it's hard to find a good spot for the camera. I was trying to show how dirty the tub was under the mat here, but you can't really see anything. It's just so much white. I decided to take my shower curtain down to put a different one up. This one's been up for a while and I'm just kind of bored with it. But it's a tedious job as every single hook has to come off and out and then go back up. So I don't want to make you guys watch all that, so I cut it out and went to the end. You're welcome. I was pretty surprised that Misty didn't come into the bathroom while I cleaned it on this day. She is in the before footage, but she never came in the bathroom while I was cleaning. And when I went to look for her, she was sound asleep on my bed, so she must have been having good dreams about Mush Mush and had no interest in what I was doing. When I'm cleaning the bathroom, she's always right underfoot. I usually have to close the door in there, and then I end up almost making myself pass out from the fumes because of her. Even though the ceiling fan is so loud, it's horrible, so it was nice to be able to clean and have the door open and not worry about Misty in there. So, I'm wondering, what is your least favorite cleaning chore? Mine is what you're watching right now. I just absolutely despise cleaning the shower, the tub, anything to do with the whole entire situation. But I do have to admit that it felt way better afterwards, just having all that extra cluttery stuff taken out and just the stuff we only use daily and knowing everything was nice and clean. It's kept wiped down daily anyway, the walls and everything, but it's just the tub itself mainly is what really needed a good scrub down. And yeah, it's the reward after is, a nice, clean, decluttered, stress-free area, so it's worth it, but I really don't enjoy it. What about you? And in case you're wondering what I am cleaning with, I have a bucket full of hot water and a few drops of the lavender-scented pine sol. The bathtub was sprayed down earlier with scrub and bubbles, and I just let that sit for a bit. And I'm going to rinse everything down with the shower head because that makes sure any traces of residue from the cleaner is gone down the drain. I'm curious to know what you're cleaning today. Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing because it really helps the channel and it's free. And you'll get notified when I post new videos. The charging base of these electric toothbrushes gets really funky. Here I was showing up close of it. It took quite a bit of scrubbing to get it all off, and there was still just a tiny bit left on there. Just looking at my bathroom here, I'm thinking that it could use some faux greenery, especially in the corner of the bathroom counter. And it would also serve as a great place to hide the cord to my son's electric toothbrush. The cord is like extra long and really annoying. And I tried to coil it up, but it doesn't stay because it's kind of stiff. So I should try to find a plant or something to put right there in the corner that has a little bit of weight to it. I think that would look nice. What do you guys think? Oh, and unfortunately I can't have anything on the back of the toilet or on that shelf above the toilet because you know what I'm gonna say, don't you? Everybody knows Misty has taken stuff from the back of the toilet and above the toilet, thrown it into the toilet. And nobody around here really closes the toilet lid, so I'm not gonna try to change my lifelong habit and try to change my son's habit and have the lid closed just so I can have some decorations. But I can put decorations that I can glue down with those little glue dots that I use on other little more lightweight decorations. She tries to knock my ceramic birds and stuff over, but they don't move. She doesn't try hard enough. She'll just put her paw against something. If it doesn't move, then she doesn't try. So it would be nice to have something, but I don't want something ending up in the toilet again because something accidentally got flushed because nobody saw it in there. It was in the hole. Somebody flushed it. It jammed the hole. I had to get a plumber here because that's technically my fault, so the landlord didn't have to deal with it. They had to take the toilet out, flip it over, use an auger, I think it's called, to smash my ceramic decor piece out, and then put the toilet back in place. All because of Misty being a naughty girl. This foaming hand soap is a Christmas scent, but my son and I really love it, so I decided to just use it up before we put our regular soap back. before attempting to clean the toilet, I thought to myself, why not get that stool out of my room that the cats use to jump up on the bed? Instead of having to kneel down on my knees, and that hurts my knees, to clean the toilet, it made more sense to put the stool there. So I'm glad that I thought of that because it made a huge difference. Alright, that's going to be it for today's clean. Everything feels so much better now, and I'm really glad we got this space reset together. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope this gives you a little motivation, a little company, or helped you tackle something on your own to-do list. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye, CozyCrew.
Best nap ever. I wake up and the human litter box is sparkling.